Hey there and welcome back. On today's episode I'm going to show you how we poured the slab. And by we, I mean actual professional, not me. So stick around.
So you can see the top corner up there, it's about a foot, maybe 30 centimeters. Just need to raise that bit of the backyard up a little bit just to make sure that the concrete's going to be nice and flat. Shortly measure for square and then go off and get some fill. As you can see, that fill is just getting leveled, so the concrete has something flat to sit on. Now there's some crushed rock being laid down to make the foundation of the concrete slab itself. And then shortly after it's flattened, you'll see some plastic, so the water and moisture from the slab itself doesn't escape through the ground. A bit of Rio to reinforce the concrete itself. And that's pretty much taken us through to the end of the day. Day two, and we have the concrete coming in. So I had a concrete truck sitting at the front of the house and a couple of lads just taking the concrete in and out with a few wheelbarrows, and then you see Russell there just flattening everything out. As that concrete's getting poured and flattened, you see the Rio getting pulled up as well, just to make sure it's in the center of the slab. And out comes the bull float as well. That's just a large flat rectangular tool used to finish off the concrete and fill in your voids and smooth the surface in preparation for some hand troweling, as you see now. So when the concrete expands and contracts during the seasons, you need these expansion joints over 2.5 to 3 meters to make sure it doesn't crack during that time. So just some final hand troweling and taking away the formwork. The hand trowelling is done pretty rough, so the epoxy has something to stick to. And we're done. Slab is down. Next up, we need to get the shed delivered and then put together as well. I might give that one a miss and leave that one up to the professionals as well. Huge thank you to Russell from RustyEarth. I'll put his details in the description below. If you need any concreting or paving work done, he's a really good guy. Showed me everything he was doing as he was doing it, explained everything to me so I could learn, learnt lots, so thank you very much, mate. So if you do like this content, please consider subscribing. There's plenty more content coming up, epoxy flooring, plywood walls, putting all the cabinetry in, as well as the tools. So stick around, there's plenty more to come, and I'll see you next time.